How to report a lost item to Hertz Lost and Found. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Hertz Lost and Found page. You'll find select state option. Select your state. After you've selected your state, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, select your city. After you've selected your city, it will lead you to this page. Here, simply select the location you want and press on select. Press on report now. After you press on report now, enter your contact information, which is your name, first name, last name, country, address, city, zip code, contact phone, and email. Press on next and it will directly lead you to other information field. You can simply add more information and what you want to report about and submit it. This is how to report a lost item to Hertz Lost and Found. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.